Exciting new way for interview preparation with the help of artificial intelligence. Here are the most common mistakes while doing job search and facing interview. 1. Not reading job description and approaching every opportunity in the same way. 2. Not researching about the job role. The JD may not tell everything. There could be implicit requirements. The hiring group may be in expansion phase or in stable phase. The project may be in beginning phase or in release crisis phase or maintenance phase. Depending upon the stage, the requirement may be for a highly creative member or a cautious, process-driven person. Sometimes the JD asks for too many things or does not specify everything. Their actual requirement needs to be found through different sources, such as checking LinkedIn profiles of those in the same role. If yours is compatible, the chances could be good. 3. Not preparing your pitch. Always, you need to introduce yourself for a few minutes initially. This summary is the best time to make good impression. If you prepare the pitch properly, you could convey that you have the right skills, right attitude and personality for this role. This could set the right tone for the interview. 4. Not practicing the pitch you prepared. As you practice, you will realize more about the areas where you are not confident. You will also get better clarity on why you are applying. This clarity in thoughts helps a lot. It could even help you to check the match between your claimed skill and actual skill. With Mid-Manager Team-Up, you can practice the initial pitch. This covers the very important part, that is your presentation and communication. This is when the attention of interviewer is very high. Many times, candidates are rejected due to lack of communication skills and confidence. Team-Up practice can plug that gap. Also, your introduction contains the core skill you are projecting. It reinforces what you claim in the resume. At the end of the practice, you can review your video and also check the AI-based analytics about how you did and gain some insights. Let us take one example: job search. As a web developer, you want to find a job. A quick search got you this opportunity: web platform developer at Goldman Sachs. Now do the step 1, that is to study the JD. You found the details, both technical skills and behavioral skills expected. Next is step 2, that is to study the people working in that role. The LinkedIn search found few people. Though job description asked for 6 years, LinkedIn shows people ranging from 4 years to 8 years playing that role. Most of them claimed full stack web development as a highlight. They also claimed cloud competencies. Looks like these skills are very important to highlight. Some of them even wrote technical articles and published in various social media platforms. Now you could prepare your pitch. Continuing to the pitch, below is one example pitch for this job opening. Now the pitch is ready. Use Mid-Manager Team-Up. First, go to https://teamup.midmanager.com. Log in. It will pop up screen to sign in through Google, Facebook or LinkedIn. Please note that sometimes the pop-up window stays minimized if you go to other windows in between. Once you sign in, your identity is confirmed, but you did not register yet. For extra security, Team-Up requires another registration and brings you to register page. With minimal details, it lets you register. Once you register, the home screen shows the default role-play case study. Team-Up is used for many different scenarios, but right now you are interested in interview practice. So instead of home page, I want you to select interview role-play. Check the menu item role-play. If it is on mobile device, the menu comes after a click on the menu bar. Select View All Case Studies. it will show the list of case studies. Go to Tell about yourself in an interview. Go to Practice. It will open the case study. Select and customize case study. There are many fields you can customize for better analytics reports. TeamUp gives many analytical reports with great insights. But right now we are interested only in case study description field. Let us look only at the case study description. It is the second field and tooltip gives you the hint. The pitch you prepared you can add here. You can leave other fields as they are. Then move to Do the Practice. There is a button Get Ready. The Get Ready button opens the camera. Make sure that the camera starts properly. Now you are ready for recording. Once you press Start Recording, a text appears showing that recording has started. Then you need to start talking as if you are in the interview meeting. The prepared interview pitch comes in handy while talking. Since the imaginary interview panel is in camera, make proper eye contact with camera. After done, press Stop Recording. After few seconds, button appears with label Start Analysis. Upon initiating the analysis, you will see animation indicating that it is in progress. The analysis could go on from few seconds to few minutes. Please wait patiently. After it is done, you will see View Report button. It shows few indicators. There is also a button Detailed Reports. Under Detailed Report, there are many things including your own video. To begin with, just view your own video and see how you sound and look. There are some metrics and indicators. You could look at these later. First, check the text interpreted from speech. Just from this, you can learn a lot. If you do this several times, you will be more comfortable while talking about yourself. Also, you will get more ideas on what areas to focus while preparing. If you are satisfied with how you speak, then review your resume. Update if required and apply. It is still a long way from there, but you are a lot better equipped when you face interview.